So here we have another little unboxing video. This is just so we can have a quick closer look at these side repeaters. So what we have here is a crystal clear lens with a chrome background. These fit quite a number of different models within the VAG group, such as Golf Mark 4, Transporter T5, Caddy, Caddy Mark 3 that is, Bora, Leon, Ibiza, etc. So within this kit we have a couple of adapters. Not all vehicles need this, some do and some don't. So that may be needed, it may be just discarded once you've fitted them. I'll just remove the film. So as you can see, we've got a totally crystal clear lens with a chrome background. These are powered by 3 amber LEDs. They are fully road legal, they are E-marked and MOT compliant. What you've got on the rear is just some lugs, so these just push and click directly back into the wing like the genuine ones do. And then this is just a little, like a bulb piece which pushes into the bulb holder on the vehicle. So I'll quickly grab a 12 volt feed and we'll illuminate these, just so we can see what they look like.